Hey Indy, yes? Saan ba tayo pwede pumunta? Sa ano na lang, sa palaisdaan. Oo, manood na lang tayo ng sunset. Sige. Sige. Sasabihin ko yan sa kanila. Sige. Sama ako. Guys, gusto niyo ba pumunta sa palaisdaan para manood ng sunset? Oo naman. Gusto ko pumunta sa palaisdaan para manood ng sunset. Oh, ako din. Ako din. Same. Yes, same. Same. Nom 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 cookie. Okay, kung yan gusto nyo, kasama natin si Pikachu. So guys, punta tayo sa palaisdaan ngayon ha. Huwag kayo magulo dun. Ha? Sir, yes sir. O, tayo na. Oo nga. Tayo na. Wait, sama din ako. Gusto mo ba sumama? O sige. Sama ka. You're invited. Yay! Oh. Sakay na ako dito. Ay, hindi ako kasya. Okay lang sa plastic ka na lang. Oops. Okay lang sa plastic ka na lang. Ready na ba kayo? Ready na. Bata na. Okay, we're here and we bought some food and some water. And I guess we can eat here and watch some sunset. Okay, maybe we can eat here for a while and maybe later we can watch some sunset. Okay. Okay. Okay, I will open it. How these things work? Oh, there it is. Kainin natin to. Hindi ko maano yung kamay ko. Here. Want some? So delicious. Maybe Snoopy, may pupuntahan mo na ako Bluey, punta tayo dun sa may ano. Sige. And me and my others go. You, Cookie Monster, Pikachu, you go somewhere? Yes. Okay. Have fun, and I will sit here with my other friends and eat some chips. Okay. Good luck. Good luck. Ang ganda naman pala dito, no? Looking for nature, right? Indy. Yeah. So, maganda pala dito, no? No? Oo nga eh. Maganda. Tara, magano tayo. Sige. Maybe magano tayo, no? Tingin dito sa tubig. Oo nga. Tingin tayo sa tubig. Oo nga. Tingin tayo sa tubig, Pikachu. Baka malaglag tayo, ah. Naku, ayun naman sinasabi ko, Tana. Hoy, Cookie Monster naman. Ba yan? I'm thirsty. Maybe I can open this. I'm thirsty. Maybe because ang init kasi ngayon eh. Oo, sobrang init. Maybe one more chips. Maybe I can one more chips. Oh, that's not water. Delicious. Want some? Yes. Delicious. Maybe we can watch some sunset later. Yes, sure thing. Yeah. Or maybe just now. I'm going to see the sunset. Nakakasilaw ilaw kasi sunset. Ooh, the fish pond. Fish pond. Maybe I can go back. Let's wait until they get back. Sure thing. Let's go sleep. Yeah, I'm so tired. Let's go sleep. Okay, we're back. Ooh, the sunset. What? The sunset? Ooh, the sunset. Yes, the sunset. Yes, I can see the sunset. Mine too. Yes, I can see the sunset too. Yes, me too. Yes, me too. So guys, are you having fun? Yes, it's been amazing. Ang saya. Nakita ko na yung sunset. Yes, Cookie like sunset. Oh, nakita ko na yung sunset. Ang saya. Yes, I like the sunset too. Ako din. O, tara na guys, uwi na tayo. Yes, it's time to go home. Yes, tara na. Time to go home na. Okay, I will bring that water. Oh, tara na, uwi na tayo. Yes, tara na. Oo nga. Tara na, uwi na tayo. Oo, tara na. Ikaw ba hindi sasama ka? Ikaw hindi sasama ka? Ano? Hindi, kasi may pupuntahan ako eh. Kayo na lang umuwi. At ako may pupuntahan kasi. O sige, hindi. Good luck. Thank you, Cookie Monster. O sige, alis na ako ah. Sige, bye. Tara na guys. O sige. Bye. Oh shit. Oops. That's just a swear word. Sorry. That was a swear word. Okay. Let's go. Let's go guys. Home sweet home. Oo nga, saya panoorin yung sunset. Ako din. Ako din. Ako din. Yes, same. So later, it's lunar eclipse later. Do you want to watch the lunar eclipse? No, we're tired. I think I want to go some sleep. Yes. Yes, I'm tired. Okay. Ako na lang manonood ah. Sige. Okay. Okay, I will go outside now. Good luck. Yes, good luck.